Do you want to use PayPal to make money? You can do this over and over again and still generate more money than $100. This is so simple that anyone with prior expertise can finish it. This is available in every nation on the planet, is completely free, and requires no money to get started. I'll show you how to create a free account in this brief video and guide you through various step-by-step examples of how to achieve this. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You can make a lot of money very rapidly on a website called capterra.com, which I want to show you. Before you leave this movie or skip any of it, I have 2 warnings for you. The sign-up process is a little difficult to begin with. As you can see, there are 3 steps to the sign-up process, all of which you must follow. Let me give you a detailed explanation of how it works. On capterra.com, you may make money by writing straightforward reviews of different software. On this website, you can write a quick review for a huge variety of applications. You only need to submit a review to get paid for each one. You don't need any technical know-how, prior experience, money, or even a grasp of the English language well. Let's start writing a review right away. Go to Capterra's homepage first, then click the Write a Review link at the top. By clicking on this, you will be taken to a page where you can quickly search for any goods, businesses, or software you want to evaluate. If not, they will recommend a well-known program so you can write a review for it. Enter PowerPoint and then click the Search button. Scroll down below to the PowerPoint by Microsoft link and then click it. After that, you'll be taken to a page where you can quickly post a review for PowerPoint. You may do this on your phone or computer. By scrolling down below, you can see the complete procedure for creating a simple PowerPoint review and making $15. It is finished in under 2 minutes. All you have to do is give your honest opinion about the software. Since PowerPoint is a great tool, I am guessing most of us will have something positive to say about it. The additional steps are at the bottom of the page. In the first portion of step number 1, you must first submit certain personal data. It's important to have a job title, since else they won't accept your review and you won't get paid. For the job title, enter freelancer, along with your first and last names, email address, and job title. Self-employed can be typed directly into the organization name field. To find the industry you wish to choose, click the down arrow next to Industry. If you currently have a job, you can simply select your current industry. If not, you can type computer software, since you'll be writing a review of the program. And just like that, you will submit your review and can make tons of dollars with each review. There are a bazillion software on this website that are waiting to be reviewed. So hop in and begin. That's it for today. Please like, share, and subscribe. And press the bell icon for more updates.